All right, who is ready to 10x their business in 2021? If that is you, you definitely need to join us for GrowthCon. Now, this is the best of the best sales event in the world, in our opinion. And we definitely want you to be there, whether you're on Zoom or you're actually in the room with about 2,000 people. Now, last year we were in Las Vegas and there was over 30,000. No, this is 2,000. Tickets start at $2,000. So we've got the link for you if you want to join us in the room. If you want to invest $99, definitely be online. There, of course, is ticket prices. We get none of that. We just want to know that you are ready to 10x your business. The information here is going to be phenomenal that you're going to be able to implement. And you want to know how we have 10x, you want to know our mindset. It is through Cardone University, all of the things that we're plugged into, that we're also getting you guys plugged into. So we're not asking you to do anything that we're not doing, and we're just sharing with you guys one of the keys to our success. This is going to be in person if you choose to do that, Miami. It's going to be the 12th through the 14th in March. Now we're going to be on site, as I mentioned. We may also do some masterminding around this event. Our biggest takeaways, we definitely want you involved. So look for the link and get your ticket online if that's the least that you can do, just so you can get soaked in to a 10x living lifestyle mindset. It will be the best thing for you and your business going into this year, and get us started on the right foot so that we can definitely expand our businesses in the way that we know we have to do. People are depending on us to do. You're going to get all the information here, and then plug into all of the other events that we have going on as well. Can't wait to see you.